Made it to the top of which is probably the highest point around here, it looks like. It's a quick little walk uphill. But look at that view, isn't that something? That's the eastern side of the island. And look at those colors, huh? It's really something. Awfully pretty.
You can see the river area that we went by as well. I mean, that's how we got here. Very cool. And away we go. Say goodbye to the washing machine. Franny had fun in the washing machine, didn't you?
Yeah, we went all over.
That is beautiful. We're going down a different little tributary now.
A little different way out.
Yep.